Well, what an incredible week it's been in markets. Having strategies that are powerful for those that are brand new to markets, those that are seasoned and, of course, trade very regularly, whether you're a small lot trader or have been in markets for quite some time. Well, this video is for you, and I'm going to share with you my thoughts on market direction and how to identify higher probability trades no matter what type of market we're in. You're looking at a daily chart of the SPY, the ES, the S&P E-minis, the futures, and similarly, it works just like the SPY. It's a different product though. When you take a look at the action on a daily chart, under the falling channel, price is rising after becoming well oversold, and the push up that we have is a push up into falling resistance. Now, we had a TRP sell signal back over here. This is the 18th or 19th of July, and then down we came. It took some time before we really unclenched and saw price action unwind. Nonetheless, the push back up is really the question on everyone's mind. Is this it? Was that the low? Are we done? And my answer to that question is it's less likely that we're done, but in between now and the done moment, we can very quickly use a smaller time frame, like a 4-hour chart, that has a signal throw of about 3 to 5 days, depending on how volatile the market is. So we should keep that closer to 3 days. And we can see that we have a TRP buy with 3 powerful steps to tell us what's likely going to happen. Step 1 is the TRP buy signal underneath the candle. Step 2 is price getting above a rising channel. So you can see the channel is now starting to slope up. And step 3 is within a 3-bar radius or so, having a positive momentum dot, blue dot in the subchart, where we've got the TRP momentum crossover lines. And this puts us in a spot that is giving us what we need for a higher probability trade. But on a 4-hour time frame, what it amounts to is likelier we see a rise that can take us up towards that target 1, and that's still quite a ways away. Now, you're looking at about 70 to 80 points on the ES, $7 to $8 on the SPY, and the SPY is trading right now as we move towards the end of the day around $532, $533. So if we put the pieces together here, you've got a higher probability to test falling resistance and come down, and we've ascertained that using the daily and the 4-hour chart. Now, what I want to do is I want to flip the script and find something that can outperform the market using the TRP scanner and identifying a creature that we call the runaway. And this is on the bullish side. So I've scanned the NASDAQ 100 on an hourly basis, and I've also done it on a smaller time frame basis to confirm whether or not the TTD stock, which has been in a runaway move above its target 2, going today from underneath, actually being down over here in the $90 range, all the way up towards that $99 range. Now, identifying something like this in advance and catching it right as it's breaking out above that TRP target 2, and this strategy is one of Rob Hoffman's favorite. He's the developer of these tools, 33-time on-site real money trading champion, who built these tools over decades to help traders cut through the noise and find the signal in a simple and powerful manner. Now, combine that 1-hour chart with that 5-minute chart, and I'll expose the page a little bit more here and take a look at the simplicity of entering and re-entering and how the tool does an incredible job for us on that. We obviously got a big blast off in the morning, and then we went sideways, and you can see the up and down signals in a sideways fashion, which is something I love to see, as long as I'm also getting up and down signals in the subchart and keeping a range in price. That means we're likely coiling up to burst, and typically it's in the direction of the channel. And boy, did we ever. From all that coiling, up and away we've gone into the last little bit of the day. Now, strategies like these to identify things that can run faster than the market while the market's on its journey to an area where it may have put the low in, but we're identifying something in the now that is running away and outperforming. I'm going to share with you strategies just like these and much, much more at a special class that I'm going to be doing for all types of traders, whether you're a day trader or a swing trader or a position trader. This class tomorrow is not recorded. It is a special event where I'm going to teach you strategies that I use in live markets for both day and swing trading to, one, identify higher probability trading candidates to take advantage of a overall market move. If the market tide is rising, it does typically float most boats or ships. However, there's a powerful way to identify the ones that are most likely to win and a straightforward 3-step approach to actually taking on those trades. And I can't wait to see you tomorrow, August the 10th, Saturday. We start at 10 a.m. Eastern Time sharp. That's 7 a.m. Pacific Time, 9 a.m. Central Time. Go to becomeabettertrader.com/yes, or wait to the end of the video and click the link and make sure you get your seat in time. The session is not recorded, and I am super excited to share all the knowledge I've gained on how to use these tools, especially after the week we've had. I'll give you some thoughts as well on the market overall, and it's going to be a great time. See you tomorrow at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. Thanks for watching, and thanks for being the best student family in the world. We'll see you at the class tomorrow, August the 10th, Saturday at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. Bye for now, all.